Welcome to the CryptoNest. So just doing a follow-up. Yesterday I did a very quick 5 minutes. I think I did the overview of 5 stocks. So this is the one for MicroStrategy. So since March 2020, we had a wave 1, wave 2. I believe the third wave is finished, as you can see. Did we actually manage to make 5 wave up? You know, some people, they say this was just an A, a B, and a C. Yeah, proportion wouldn't be right though. Others say this could have been an A, a B, and then after the C has 5 ways. Doesn't matter, yes and no. The only thing it matters if you're more bullish or bearish. Not bullish or bearish, but you know the way that you count it. Is it impulsive? Is it a diagonal? The only thing that changed is the Fibonacci retracement for that third wave, right? So if you say it's a diagonal, you will add the 0.618. If you feel that it's an impulsive, then you're going to stick with these ones. And if you are, if you stick with the impulsive movement 5 way up, then we already reached the first target for the fourth wave, so I'm going to remove it. And now you can see that today or yesterday, I think it's today. Let me double check here. Don't know what did I touch here. Okay, so yeah, officially today we tip into the 0.382 fib retracement. Once again, this is the sweet spot for the fourth wave. Put it here. And now if I do some micro counting, let me double check here. I should have labeled those little guys. So this is wave 1 and 3. And I calculate wave 4. Just want to double check if I updated the levels. Sounds alright. So the first, actually, let me change the label because otherwise it's a little bit misleading. Alright, so first target would be 130.62 by this micro counting fifth wave down. If we go, can it go lower? Yes, it can. Second, well, there are other levels. I can just put them in. There is the 0.5 and after that the 0.618. So those are the 3 levels we can check if one doesn't find the support. So we have the 0.32 under 35.40. This acted as a support as for now. Ideally, it should go a little bit lower. Now, I do have also the bigger count here. Wave A, wave B, wave C. Just want to double check if everything is okay. You know, sometimes I have my phone on in the pocket and things moves around. No, okay, perfect. So ideally, once again, I'm going to put it back, the 1-to-1 ratio, it would be the sweet spot. Now, because the length of wave A should be as the same, ideally, as the wave C. If we go lower, then we have 3 other levels. So I'm going to remove the 1-to-1. I'm going to put the 3 followings. So we have the 1.236, the 1.236, the 1.36, and the 1.618. As you can see, previously already reached the 1.236. Seriously, today I have a problem to read numbers. Now you can see as well that the price is below the 1.36. Anything we need to remember is when the price goes below the 1-to-1 ratio, tends to go near or spot on to the 1.618, so that's under 15.48. This I did it. Okay, so I would say probabilities now are very high that if price really cannot hold here, well, since I have two indicators here, two levels, fib extensions, I would say under 15.06, under 15.48 could be really something like we can look after. In the case under 35.40 doesn't hold and under 30.62 doesn't hold. I want to go and check the VRVP quickly. if it works. So under 30.75, under 34. So that's yeah, this is why it did stop there. And if we go lower, yeah, it doesn't really help, as you can see, because if we fail, yeah, under 20 we have something. Under 15 we don't have much, right? So that's the danger that price could go even lower. Let me double check here on the daily. We already went higher. No, I don't think so. This is the higher high. And well, $80. Yeah, that if really price don't hold, then it's going to open for lower levels. Yesterday on my Discord, as you know, when I do some buy or some trading, I share with you guys. So yesterday I purchased a small amount of MicroStrategy, and I know some people are like, what the hell, man? You're saying that you're convinced that it's going to go lower. Everything tends to go to under 15, and you buy at under 36, under 38. I don't remember what was it. Well, it's because I trade the levels and not the structures. So ideally, price should do another lower low, which is doing now. But you know, market can reverse anytime. Also, is this the end of this correction, or this is just the A wave, and then we're going to make a B wave, which sorry about that. This could go even lower. So the B wave, it follows, and after that we can have even a deeper correction here. So it's still unsure, even though technically this now is done. I think micro counting is missing something for this fifth wave. Let me double check here. I mean, we could argue. Let me double check. And once again, this is 15 minutes, right? So maybe this could be a 1, 2. Yeah, 2 here. 1, A, B, C, 2. And this is the third wave. And within this third wave, we have a wave 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, and a 5th. And so I'm counting this maybe as a 1. Here is the 2. This should be almost finished for this third wave. And we should still have a 4th and a 5th to go. And this is how we can get to under $15. But you know, I like to not get in all in one shot and get out in all one shot. So if price keep going lower, then I'm going to add a little bit more. I mean, more than I bought here at this level. Now, if I go back on the daily, all right. So so what I'm looking now, if everything goes well, price stop at 130. What could be the next possible levels? I think I did it here. I think I adjusted already for this current price. Okay, so if it doesn't go to 115, the next level, well, the first level, I calculated a wave. I took the wave 1 and 3 to the wave 4, which not completely done yet. Anyway, we don't have any. I don't have any sign that this is reversing this downtrend. But the first level would be 0.382, which would be a little bit off because it's just slightly higher than the previous third wave. 641. The proper one, now, you know, I don't want to make crazy statements, but, you know, the following one would be usually the 0.618 at 1681. You look at the price, this sounds crazy, I know. The 0.5 maybe it's more reasonable, even though unconventional, because it's not really a level that really, you know, I mean, it's a fib retracement level, but well, extension, by the way. But anyway, so that's one. The other indication is when you do a fib extension wave 1 with the wave 2, the target for the third wave, it was spot on, right? 1.38, and the fifth wave usually tends to go one or two levels higher. And so since we have the 1.618 and the 2, so I would say $1,000 it would be conservative level. And yeah, the 2x would be crazy, 739, but that's really far away. The price is under 36. Actually, it can even go to under 15, right? So what would be the price if we drag down this one? 215, about. You can see that it doesn't really change much. It changed a little bit, but not crazy. $100. But I mean, for under 15, I mean, it's crazy. So this is why yesterday I purchased some. I increased my my accumulation, my holdings in MicroStrategy. I do find that the risk ratio it's good, and for people who are more short term, this could be also another short term maybe gain. I don't know if we manage to go to the 0.5 fib retracement, then or even lower 0.382, we're talking about $231. So if we're doing some speculation here, that's 68% return. Okay, so this is pretty much all I wanted to share with you guys. Double check double check something here. Man, it's annoying, this unselecting thing. Since they did an update, I'm quite pissed. All right, so I wanted to check the RSI. I mean, we're not even oversold, so this could go lower still. I would be inclined with the analysis as well. And once again, because we just entered the second Fibonacci retracement area for the fourth wave, this is why I purchased some. Alright, so hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And have a good day. Bye.